What's cooking, guys? I hope you're well. Welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know, I am the Secret Yorkshire Cook, and in today's episode we are going to be making Yorkshire Tea Old Fashions. Now, lots of people have been asking me to make Yorkshire recipes or just recipes that include Yorkshire products, and what's better than using one of the biggest brands in Yorkshire, Yorkshire Tea. Now, at this stage of the video, guys, I'd like to ask, if at any stage you enjoy it or you find this video interesting, please do smash that like button, drop me a comment, and do consider subscribing. Anyway, that's enough from me, and into the video. What's up, guys? It's only me. Thank you very much for getting to this stage in the video. I really do appreciate it, and I do hope you decide to make this Yorkshire Tea Old Fashioned. I'm actually drinking one right now as I edit this video, and I really hope you decide to make one yourself. If you enjoyed this video or you decided that you're going to make it, please do smash that like button, drop me a comment, and do consider subscribing. I really do appreciate your support. And guys, please do stay safe, enjoy this sunshine over this Easter holidays, and of course, keep cooking.